Alright, so we're going to continue on slide 2. On slide 2, we're going to click on Insert a Text Box, and then draw your little text box, and we're going to type slide 2, and we want that to be centered, and let's kind of scoot this over a little further. And we also want to make that the same as our slide 1, which I believe might have been 44. So we'll make that 44 and kind of scoot it up here out of the way. And then we're going to insert another text box and type in who is the current Vice President of the USA, question mark. And let's center that. And I think we were at 32 for that one. 32. Okay. And on slide 2 still, under the question we typed, click on Insert a Table. We're going to go a 2 by 4 table, just like we did on the last one. And scoot it down here underneath. And choice A, B, C, D, and we can scoot this over, and our choices will actually be the same as it was for our first question. Choice A is Harry Reid, choice B is Barack Obama, choice C is Joe Biden, and choice D is George W. Bush. Alright, and we'll go ahead and make this whole thing just a little bit smaller. And maybe scoot it over to the center where it looks good. Ruh-roh. I've actually messed up. If you look right here on my side, I should be typing this on slide 2, but I'm on slide 3. That's actually okay. I'm going to grab a hold of this slide and drag it. You see there's a line right there between slide 1 and slide 2? Right there. I'm going to drop it, so now I've just changed the order of the slides. So I accidentally typed it on slide 3, but then I can just change the order of these by dragging them around. So now it's slide 2, so I didn't have to redo all of that. Okay? Alright. Using our hyperlinks, we're going to select Harry Reid, and Harry Reid is not the current vice president. So we're going to select that, and we're going to go to Insert, Hyperlink, and our no slide for question 2 is going to be slide 4, and he is not the vice president, so we'll go slide 4. I realize there's nothing on slide 4 just yet. Barack Obama is also not the current vice president, so we'll go hyperlink, slide 4. That'll be the no answer. Joe Biden is the vice president, so we'll skip that one for a minute. George W. Bush is not the vice president, so hyperlink, slide 4. Okay, so slide 4 is our no answer for question number 2. Joe Biden, we'll go to Joe Biden and make him a hyperlink. We're going to hyperlink him to slide 6. Alright, so now we have our questions, our answers, and our hyperlinks done for question 1 on slide 1 and question 2 on slide 2. Now we need to start setting up our no and yes slides. So we're going to click on slide 3. Go ahead and go Insert a Text Box. And we're going to type, we might want to make this kind of large, like maybe 32. We're going to type, no, please try again. Now this is something that you need to think about. If you use your hyperlinks to send somebody to a slide, you have to always give them a way to get back to where they were. So if we just simply stopped with this and said, no, please try again, they couldn't get back to the question to try again. So you have to always give them some navigational tools to get back there. Okay, so we're going to type, no, please try again. Then underneath, type, return to question 1. Alright, we'll maybe center all of that. Okay, and if you want to send the person taking the quiz back to question 1, we would need to link that to the slide that has question 1, that happens to be slide 1. So we're going to select all of this and go insert a hyperlink and return the person to question 1, which is on slide 1. Okay, so if you click a wrong answer on question 1, it's going to send you to slide 3, and then this is how you can find out, oh no, I had the wrong answer, I need to go back to that question. Alright, we're going to click down here on slide 4 and do the same thing, create a no answer for question 2. Insert text box, and we'll make it 32, same thing, and we'll type no, please try again. And it's same thing, you need to give them a way to get back to question 2. So we'll select, or we'll type return to question 2. Maybe center all of this. And then you want to select your return to question 2 and make it a hyperlink. Now question 2 was on slide number 2, so you're going to link that to slide number 2. So now there's a no answer for question 1, there's a no answer for question 2. We're going to go down here to slide 5. This is the yes answer for question 1, so we'll go insert a text box. We'll make it 32 size, and then we'll type yes. Congratulations, and congratulations with a D is a misspelling. It's congratulations. Underneath yes, congratulations, you need to have a link that takes them to the second question. So we'll type in continue with next question. We could have put continue with question 2. Alright, and let's go ahead and, for consistency's sake, make all of that centered. And we'll select continue with next question, put in a hyperlink, and this needs to go, this was the yes answer for question 1, so now they need to go to question 2, which will be slide number 2. Okay, and so then you get into slide 2, which asks the question. We already have a no answer for that, we just need a yes answer. So we'll click on slide 6, and we'll go insert a text box. We'll make it 32 size, and we'll go yes, congratulations, you are finished. Okay, and we will center that. Now at this point we don't need another link to send them anywhere because they're finished. Alright, so we will then save this as last name links, and then you can watch your show from the beginning.